Splosion Man is a game where players control an escaped science experiment with the ability to explode himself repeatedly as he works his way through obstacles and traps, trying to exit the fictional laboratory known as Big Science. The goal of the game is to splode through a series of levels consisting of puzzles, traps, and enemies to escape the Big Science facility. A splode is essentially a jump and can also be used to kill enemies such as scientists and robots, demolish walls, detonate explosive barrels, or trigger other effects. Exploding near a scientist will cause them to collapse into neatly packaged deli meats. The character can explode up to 3 times in quick succession, at which point he will need to take a breather to replenish his supply. Exploding launches yourself into the air so you effectively have a triple jump. You can bounce from wall to wall, which is what many of the game's mechanics revolve around. This part of the game relies heavily on the player's planning skills, as he must create a designated path for Splosion Man if he wishes to advance through the level. Sometimes new obstacles and items are introduced in the game to further promote planning, rather than just taking a leap of faith. In order to overcome the difficulties of this fast-paced game, the thinking skill of focus must be utilized. The player must begin a level and reach the end as quickly as possible, scoring points for both speed and mayhem. Splosion Man may help strengthen focus skills through its fast-paced and goal-oriented gameplay. Beyond the lengthy single-player game is a cooperative multiplayer experience with its own levels. Up to 4 Splosion Men can work together to overcome challenges. You can team up and explode at the same time to launch yourselves even farther than normal. It takes a lot of coordination, but pulling the left trigger will bring up a handy on-screen countdown you can use to time yourselves. For more information on Splosion Man and the thinking skills used in this game, visit learningworksforkids.com.